Welcome to Ayodhya Railway Station. The station has a total number of 3 platforms and 1 footover bridge. Footover bridge 1 is starting outside the station and connects all the platforms from platform 1 to 3 through stairs to back entry exit. Ramps are available at entrance to platform 1 near footover bridge to facilitate people using wheelchairs. Passenger amenities present at the station are inquiry, RPF, waiting rooms, station master, station superintendent, VIP room, chief coaching supervisor, chief health officer in the main hall. Reservation center is present on the right side of the main hall. There are wheelchairs and portable ramp available at the station to facilitate people using wheelchair to board the train. Platform numbers in braille are mentioned on the indicators installed on the railings of stairs and ramps leading towards the platforms. Braille signboards have been installed for all the offices in facilities like toilets, waiting halls etched to help people with visual disabilities. A station map in Braille and English that gives the overview of the station premise and facilities is installed in the main entry hall to facilitate people with visual disabilities. The stairs have reflective light strips at the starting and the end of the stairs to assist people with low vision. Scannable audio, video in sign language about the information about the railway station that can be played over the phone by scanning the code installed at various locations. The initiative of providing braille signs and other facilities for people with visual disabilities, including this video, is driven by India Railways in association with CSR initiative of Standard Chartered Bank and executed by Anuprayaas.